guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today I'm sharing lots of fun but easy breakfast inspiration, so stay tuned. Okay friends, it's been a long time since I shared breakfast ideas, so that's exactly what I'm doing today. But of course I have my shout outs first. Today it's going to Tina Zimney, and our Instagram shout out goes to Farmer Mima Keto Wife Life. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube and go ahead and follow us over on Instagram for your chance at being next week's shout outs. Now let's get started.
Good morning, friends. Here's breakfast idea number 1.
Today I'm giving the kids some breakfast sliders. Let me show you how I made them. These breakfast sliders are really easy. For this I'm going to use some Hawaiian rolls, which I'm going to cut down the center. I'm also going to scramble up about 8 eggs with a little bit of milk and some salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and spray my baking dish so that none of this will stick. I'm going to get my bread in there. Then I'm going to layer some cheese. I'm using some sliced cheddar cheese. Next I'm going to add my scrambled eggs. Then I'm going to add a few slices of honey ham. This is just regular lunch meat. It's already cooked, so it's super easy. Then I'm going to add one more layer of cheese, and that's going to make it extra cheesy, but it's also going to act as the glue for our sandwich. Next, I'm going to cover this with foil and stick it in the oven for about 20 minutes, or until it's heated through. Now I have to be honest with you guys, the time got away from me. So these sandwiches got a little bit darker than I meant them to, but they're still going to be fine. So to go along with our sandwich today, I'm also giving the kids some fruit. I have a couple of strawberries and a little tangerine. I'm also going to give them a yogurt tube. And do you guys want milk or juice?
Milk. Juice.
Okay, I got 2 for juice and 1 for milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up their cups, and then after breakfast, I will show you what they ate. Okay friends, breakfast time is over, and as you can tell, Mackenzie and Jackson did really well. What'd you think, guys?
It was really cool. And good too.
And good too. Mackenzie ended up having 2 sandwiches, which is totally fine. But Lily, you didn't like it?
Uh-huh.
Why not?
Because I was full.
You were full. Well, it is kind of a lot. But she did eat her fruit, and she ate probably half of her sandwich. So.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning.
So for today's breakfast, I took some mini pancakes and I put them on these really fun sticks with strawberry and banana. So it's a really fun breakfast on a stick. Over here I have some turkey sausages. These were fully cooked, so all I had to do was heat them up. And then I'm also giving the kids a yogurt tube. This is kind of like my filler for breakfast, because if they don't eat it, I can just stick it back in the fridge, no big deal. But I just wanted to make sure to give them enough. So also I'm going to be giving them some milk or juice. They can decide what they want to have. What do you guys want to have? Milk or juice?
Juice. Juice.
All right.
After breakfast, we'll show you what we ate. Breakfast is over now.
So Mackenzie ate everything. Good job. What was your favorite part?
These little pancake kebabs.
The pancakes, yeah. And Jackson ate everything except for his yogurt, so we'll save that for later. And he actually asked for more pancakes, right? Mm-hmm. And he's working on finishing Lily's as well. You really like those?
Mm-hmm.
But Lily did pretty well. She ate all of her sausage and 1 whole stick, but she's also going to save her yogurt for later. She's asking me to put it in the freezer, actually. Do you want to make it a popsicle?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, guys. Right now I don't have any kids with me. They're off in their rooms, hopefully getting dressed and ready. But for today's breakfast, I kept it really simple. A few days ago, I made some pancake muffins, and I made a big batch so we can have some throughout the week. For this, I just took some regular pancake batter and added the ingredients as you normally would according to the box. And then I just baked them like muffins. I added some different toppings. I had chocolate chips, some strawberries and blueberries. So there's a bit of a variety. Then I just keep these in the fridge until we're ready to eat them. Now to go along with this today, I also made some scrambled eggs with a little bit of green onion and some cheese. And I did give the kids a little bit of ketchup to dip their eggs in. They like that. I have 1 little strawberry over here and 2 chunks of banana. Usually the kids don't eat a ton for breakfast, but of course if they eat all of this and want more, I will give them more.
Breakfast is over and here's what we ate.
Overall, they did really well. Everyone ate their pancake muffin. Their milk is all gone. Most of the eggs are gone and most of the fruit. What was your favorite part, Lily?
The fruit, the milk, and the muffin.
The muffin. What flavor muffin did you get?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
But good thing I chose share some with Kenzie.
You did share some with Kenzie. Well, that was nice.
We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and here's today's breakfast.
Good morning. Right now I have Mackenzie, Jackson, and Lily with me. And I actually made the bulk of this breakfast last night because I threw together some overnight oats. For this, I just used some rolled oats from Trader Joe's. I added a little bit of flax meal, coconut, almond milk, and a little bit of maple syrup for a sweetener. Then I also added a lot of berries. These are just the frozen berries that I get from Costco. I quickly defrosted them and stuck them in. Then I topped it all off with some shredded coconut. So there's lots of berries and coconuts. Now with overnight oats, I could heat these up, but we prefer to eat them cold, right guys?
Yeah.
Now I actually had one of these already and it's really tasty, so I think you guys are going to love it. Now to go along with this today, I'm also giving the kids a big piece of watermelon. I got a big one from the store the other day and we're trying to use it all up. To go along with that, I'm also giving them some cheese. This is just cheddar cheese that I've cut into the shape of hearts just for fun. Then over here I had one more banana, so I cut it up and the kids are going to share it. Really though, the overnight oats are quite filling. There's lots of protein in there. So I think that this is gonna be plenty. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll see you after breakfast. Bye.
Okay guys, what do you think of today's breakfast?
It was good.
Do you guys really like overnight oats?
Yeah.
I like all different kinds of overnight oats. It looks like everybody ate everything. The watermelon's gone, the banana's gone, and almost all of the oatmeal is gone. So good job, guys. We have one more fun breakfast tomorrow, and it's probably gonna be your favorite.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys.
Happy Friday.
What? Doesn't sound very happy. What's wrong?
I don't want my cut up.
She is not very happy with me because I cut hers up. But you know what? It's gonna be easier for you to eat. So for today's breakfast, I started by making some chocolate chip waffles. These are just pre-made waffles, so it's quick and easy. And I also took some of my frozen berries and I just defrosted them really quick. So then I took a waffle, added a layer of my berries, then some whipped cream, another waffle, more whipped cream, and berries on top. And then for Lily, I did go ahead and cut hers in half so I can feed the other half to Griffin. Now just to go along with this today, I'm gonna give the kids 2 pieces of turkey sausage and that is it. I think this looks like plenty for them. Of course, if they want more, I can give them more. Do you guys want milk or juice or water to drink?
Milk.
Milk? All right, after breakfast.
We'll show you what we ate. Bye.
Okay guys, I would say that today's breakfast was a big hit. In fact, the kids were calling it a funnel cake. We did have something very similar to this on our last Disney trip. It really was like a funnel cake, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what'd you think, Lily?
It was super good.
And you ate it all, that's amazing. Mackenzie has a few berries left.
Because there's blackberries and there's a lot of seeds.
And you don't like the seeds?
Yeah.
No. What about you, Jack?
I ate everything.
Good job. I had some too, it was delicious.
And we'll see you next week. Bye, friends.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below which breakfast was your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.